Hello everyone, this is Dharmendra. Today I'm going to discuss something about myself and the technologies which I already worked, and I will start some topic so you will get some kind of knowledge. So by the way, I'm Dharmendra. I'm from India. I studied in NIT ke Surathkal, Karnataka. Currently I'm working as a software analyst with as a Kuram consultant from last 5 years. So from the beginning, when I came in a software industry, I'm working in a Java J2E technologies, and I worked in various companies like Stratify, Wipro Technologies, Kuram, IBM Software, and some state agencies in USA. So I created my own website, which is www.insideyarn.com. So I will upload all my videos related to knowledge sharing. In that, you can access all those videos from that website and add your valuable comments and suggestions. So today I am going to start a little bit about Kuram technologies, as it is very hot technology in the market right now. So Kuram is a product which is launched by Kuram company itself. The company name was Kuram, and they launched their product name as a Kuram. And it was a Ireland based company. It was acquired by IBM in 2012. So now its name is IBM Kuram Software. Now IBM come up with uh, one group that is called Watson Group. So Kuram is having major participation in that group. Watson is basically a healthcare related product. It is a set of products which will help to analyze or represent some kind of analytical diagram to the user. So basically, it is a related to patient. It is a related to some kind of citizens, so they can provide some kind of predictions. So I'm not going into the Watson right now because it is a very huge topic. I cannot cover within a 15 to 10 minutes. That required a lot of time to understand. So our goal here is to understand Kuram technologies and its future in the market. So Kuram product is being used with many government agencies and counties in many countries. So Kuram is basically being used in New Zealand, Australia, UK, Department of Worker Compensation. It is being used in Canada with many states or cities, basically you can say, and in US, states like Arkansas, New Jersey, Minnesota, DC, North Carolina, South Carolina, Missouri. So it is having very bright future, and it is having some set of framework in build, so we can customize this product as per our requirement, because every state, every county is having its own legislature, or you can say policies, to give the benefit to the client. So it is different state by state. So Kuram come up with a generic product, so you can customize that product as per your requirement and release that product within a very minimum span of time. So it is not going to take a longer period to develop application from the scratch. It is a 70% build application in which you will put 30% of customization if it is required by the state, and then start using. Puram is basically built based on module, and some modules are interrelated. So if you are using module A, you have to use module B as well. But most of the module basically are independent. So if you want to use only few modules, you can install only those modules and start uh, your application. So Kuram is basically a social enterprise management software. So in most of the countries, people are facing to provide services or some kind of benefits to the citizen, but due to uniform data, due to unavailability of uniform data or centralized database, they are unable to provide quick services and benefits to the citizen. So Kuram is going to remove those barriers. So it will create center database. So all the counties or state or cities can use application, and its database will be centered. Suppose the example is I'm residing in Arkansas state and I entered my application information from the other state like South Carolina. But I'm originally from Arkansas and staying in Little Rock. So I came here in South Carolina to study. So once I will fill my information in the Arkansas system, they will got to know. Okay, I'm a state residence, and as per my input, like my education, my qualification, my needs, my salary, they will uh, try to get the eligibility. Ba- Basically, I'm eligible or not eligible. The system will decide automatically. So if again I'm going to file the application, the system will got to know this person is already available in the system. So it will restrict to create duplicacy, or you can say duplicate record in our system, and it will provide quick service and benefits to the citizen. So IBM Kuram software is basically built using the components or modules. There are some very important and very useful modules are like case management. Case management is just like a folder in which you are maintaining a case information for the citizens. Suppose one household registered in your application in your system, so that household will act as a case management. So a case will be created for that particular person, and based on and all other information like its citizenship status, residency status, SSN number, birth informations, address, all those informations will be stored in case management area. So it is very powerful module in Quora. The another module is participant management module. So participant management is basically related to individual parties. So there are some kind of participants in Quran known as persons, prospect person, employer, prospect employer, information provider, external parties, product provider, service provider, etc. So they are having its own roles to play in a case management. Other module is like outcome management, service plan, appeals, hearing, auditing. So there are many others like pro- provider management. So I'm not going to discuss each and every module in this video as those are very huge topic to discuss. So if you want to know anything about individual modules, please write to me so I can provide videos related to those specific modules or topic, and I will post in my website. Okay, thank you. Please visit my website www.insidegyan.com. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.